Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Ladder on the web. So using Ladder on the web is a bit limited compared to the mobile app. So the reason it's a full-featured browser version like you might expect. So actually guys, first you will need to get the access Ladder on the web. So you can open Ladder in your browser by going to their official site, which is joinladder.com. Okay, and what you can do here, you can log into your account, view basic account info, manage your subscription or billing, read program info and coaching details. So think of it as an account dashboard, not the full app. And what you can't do on the web, right now Ladder does not support full workout functionality in a browser. You generally cannot start to follow workouts or watch exercise videos, track sets and reps live, and access full training programs. So those features are mobile only for the iPhone. And the best workaround, if you want a web-like use, you want bigger screen experience, the first option is to go with a mirror to a computer or TV. So you can use the AirPlay and screen mirroring as I explained on the other videos that you can find on our channel. And also guys, you can go and use an iPad or tablet. Okay, so why Ladder works this way? Ladder is designed as a guided real-time coaching app which requires touch interaction and motion tracking, even timing and seamless video playback. So that's why it's focused on mobile instead of the web. Even if you want to go with find your plan right here and sign in with your account, you will need to go with find your plan, then just for example go with yes if you have an iPhone or iPad, and you can go with no, let's find a good match for example, and go with gain muscles. All right, so you will need to select your preferences and then right second, and then go with none for example. Right, so just to skip, continue, mill, continue, anything. All right, 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 continue, right, just to show you. Okay, so when you finish you will need to enter your email, right, and then you will need to choose your coach. So for example we will go with Vitality, right? So go with Try Vitality, and then you will need to scan this QR code using your iPhone. Okay, so as you can see, there is too much limitations on the Ladder website, and the only way to use it is by scanning that code to forward you into their app on the iPhone or iPad. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.